The AI cat video trend is taking over social media, from cooking to ASMR to street interviews. These videos are getting millions of views. But did you know these videos are actually super easy to make? No joke, you can create one in just a few minutes. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to create viral AI cat videos using HitPaw Edimakor. Keep watching. Step 1. Download HitPaw Edimakor. Simply click the link in the description to download and install HitPaw Edimakor. Step 2. Generate the video. Method 1. Use a template first. Let me show you the fastest method. Go to AI Video and find the Video Templates section. Here, you'll find tons of trending AI video templates. Yes, we already have some templates about cat, such as this Warrior Cat Chef. Just click Create. Now, you will be redirected to the text-to-video interface. Here, you can see the model, prompts, and settings used for that specific template. If you want to test it out, simply click Generate to get a video that looks just like the original. But, if you want to customize it with different settings or styles, you can easily tweak the prompts. Let me show you how. Let's move on to the next step. Method 2. Storyboard to video. If you feel that direct text-to-video generation is too unpredictable, you can start by generating images first. I recommend creating a storyboard. This allows you to preview the narrative visually while maintaining character consistency and style. Go to AI Image, Image Generate, Text to Image, and choose your favorite model. Here, I'm selecting GPT Image 2. Use the prompt below to create a video with a 1970s Japanese Showa retro vibe. After setting up the parameters, hit Generate. Just like that, you have a storyboard with a stable style and a complete storyline. Next, click Generate Video, choose a model, paste the prompt, and bring it to life. This way, you can easily produce AI cat videos with various backgrounds and settings. I've dropped all the prompts in the comments. Go check them out. By the way, I made a more detailed video about the whole storyboard to video process. Feel free to watch that next. Step 3. Export the video. Once you're done editing, just click Export to save your video. If you share it on social media with our exclusive tags, you can even get 20 free credits. Ready to give it a try? HitPaw Edimakor is dedicated to making AI creation effortless and fun. If you found this tutorial helpful, like the video, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss future tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.